good Jamaican schema here for another reaction, Once you see the face, you know say yo, me not have no shirt, and once you know say me not have no shirt, you know say me thick, and you know say me not got Jim, me got Kim, and you know say. Alright. So today, we're there. I'm gonna do a next reaction to Janelle video again, cause Janelle drop a video, Janelle I'm a G, so if drop a video, say you don't know, it's just the right thing to do. Alright, so if you don't see that video, I don't know what I do, I don't even me see it before, no, I'm there foreign. That not look good. So today, Jamaicans try St. Mary's potato chips. Fire! In brackets. Fire! Fire! Fire!
Boy, if you don't get
Next to the fire in a bracket, it have a little what them call it, foreign people call it chili. Jamaican call it Scotch bonnet. Yeah. So potato chips, me never try one of them yet, even though them are St. Mary things, so them are Jamaican products, so I guess they are quite new. So let's jump in it and see what go on. The youth as well, big him up in the pan Imani. Imani do pranks together. I can't remember your name. Big up yourself, my G. Let's jump straight tonight. Let's go.
watch it here.
Rebel. Bad one. Yeah.
Scotch bonnet, get that look good, you know? Ooh, yeah, I look good. Ooh.
Homie say, Homie say, hold on then, ding 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 ding. Boom boom. Mommy say, why? Let me start this out.
Alright, so what are you?
Here.
Just wake up and Pang say, yo, we have a shoot for the deal with, so there is it.
Straight.
There, man, me there. True, man, have my uniform this evening, you know. You don't know how from when you see the face, you know.
There, man. There, boat, man. You don't know, say, yo. And me, man, Frederick Wright Crookshan, we're there in a place. Again, once more, you see it? Once more again.
Okay, so we're going
Gangsta for life, the war is on tour again.
people. My name is Nisi, and I wanted to be a model, but I'm a hairdresser instead. You can follow me on Instagram at _Nisi, _, and go and check out my YouTube channel, Nice and Nisi.
Alright, so this is a boy Austin, aka Daddy Dink on Instagram. Pretty much like that, yeah.
Never know. Welcome everybody, this is Shanice, aka Shanizo.
Wagwan people, it's a girl Judith Maria.
Original Sarge. And from Sarge there, you know who are there too?
Yeah. What? Apache.
Come now, man.
How this?
What your name?
Apache.
Tell the people them what your name.
Oh, yes, man, this is Apache Kid. You know, yes, man.
Straight.
Yeah, you know, say,
Big up Sarge and Apache. Big comedians there. Big up yourself.
Daniel, known as Master Dead with Laugh, on Instagram, and all who know me as Daniel from Daniel and Brits couple YouTube channel.
It's you see much Ellen in a film Dead with Laugh. You know, it's your extra laughing. Dead with laugh.
I don't know, say a girl Brits. You can follow me on IG at Brits_official. Yeah?
Yeah, Neil Lebos in the building. You can follow me on Instagram at Neil_PromiseMove_1. Yeah.
Part of the team.
name's Kaylan _ on IG.
So do you guys know the reason why you're here today?
To some extent.
Kinda.
To try something.
We don't know what, right?
I just wake up and Pang say, yo, we are gonna do something today, so I'm there. I don't know.
No, I don't know nothing.
Yeah, man, I'm sitting for them, man.
Yeah.
Don't know, me make sure you take wash out from yesterday, you know. Yeah?
And
So
ready.
Tell me something for eat, make me take watch
You know
out
me
too.
love eat already.
Not really.
I don't know. Not at all. Not really. No.
No idea. Might they ever ask me that and me ever a forward, brother. Like, me ever a forward. So, oh, you for ask me that.
Hold on. Me just noticed him t-shirt. So basically, the meaning of wicked is woman. That bad. Yo, your t-shirt hot, dog. Your t-shirt a fire, brother, like a rocket. Yeah. You know, they type something in a Google and say the meaning, or if you ask it, because you can, if you see the little speaker said next to it, you can press it, and it actually talk and tell you what is the meaning of wicked, woman. Them gyal are wicked, them wicked. Them gyal are wicked, them wicked. Me don't know how them so wicked. Why them so wicked, all me know. But them gyal are wicked. Woman. Yeah, let's go.
Yo, what I'm calling repetition.
You have it. No, yeah.
RIPS. You know? Yeah.
RIPS.
Alright,
so today you guys will be trying
Repetitive.
St. Mary's potato chips with Scotch bonnet pepper.
On the new.
Okay. I'm not too like the pepper thing, but okay.
Yeah. This is the first Jamaican product, apart from thinking to I think in China. If me wrong, tell me some me wrong. But apart from that, has he tried anything else? Normally a foreign things he might try. So it's good to see him try a Jamaican thing. Yeah.
Okay. I'm a team allergic to pepper, you know.
St. Mary. Red hot. Fire keep burning, we can't cool.
Capleton.
Come, send them up.
Capleton.
Yeah.
Hot.
It's Scotch bonnet.
Pepper. Okay. Alright.
You know,
What's the other one I got still?
that means.
They did make it with pepper.
No, Drenel put pepper in it.
Scotch bonnet, like the bonnet, like what? What kind of Scotch
Man, of course,
bonnet?
in watch bonnet for the bonnet.
That for going on food. So wait I do pan the plant. Wait I do. Wait you say banana chips.
No, potato.
Or pot. Oh yeah. Hey, potato chips. That's Scotch bonnet. Ah, Jesus Christ, wait there. Wait there.
God.
Yo.
St. Mary potato chips.
Yo.
Fire.
Remember me tell you, brother.
Fire.
I like the new bag.
New
I
bag?
like the St. Mary bag, them, you know, man. And then they make the potato chip in a normal one, you always see.
Banana chips.
And they make them. And they make them. But that one,
They make banana chips. But this is a new one.
new
Yeah.
one. The bag tough.
My boss grab it quick. I
Fire. Ooh. Yo, me not like that. Yo, me just like how St. Mary does a deal with the thing, man. Yo, me like them packaging.
Yeah, it's
You
very
get me, I said,
professional.
yo.
Yeah, the package look nice. Very, it's well put together. The color on it is really nice. I like the Let me go back and see if I can
Yo,
get
the thing, man. Yo, me like them.
Yeah, the font with them use it's so you know it eye catching. It eye catching. So if you see a product like this, you know say yo it's well made, it's well done. So let's see. Hope it tastes good still.
Oh hell no!
Think we get a while this a while ago still, but hope it consume good. Cause we know so they love white people, you know.
Packaging. You get me? I said, yo, St. Mary, I want to go for this background. Me like, oh,
Nice,
there's a
man.
fade way in the yellow and there's a fade way in the red.
Yeah.
Me like the fun.
Yeah,
Me like the
see,
fun.
me just
and
say that. Me just say that. The font look good.
The potato chips, yeah.
You never know what it say. Can't open it. Go on, girl. Boss it. I'm afraid of pepper, and I'm afraid of pepper.
It
Smell like
smell
red
hot.
hot.
Yeah, it smell like red
red
hot.
hot.
This one too hot, you know. Smell hot. Really hot. Can smell the pepper.
Alright.
Because my friend, you know, man.
Alright.
Let's see how two are going to see.
Ready?
You know, hard to pull. You know, some chips are.
That means I say like you have to find a spot.
Yes, St. Mary, big of yourself. Free the ingredients. Alright. Ready up.
Am I the only person
St.
even
Mary.
think about ingredients? He never read it.
So I go and eat. But bro, I think it would be, you know, some weird thing, you know, but St. Mary, big of yourself.
He lie. He just gonna he just put it in that one. Yeah. The man starts saying nerd there. He starts, you know, easy that out. Yo, let's see what about it.
Come, my friend.
The one you're nice, brother.
Oh my god.
The one
I'm not ready to taste it. Oh, taste it now?
I see my glass of water then here, you know. Jane make sure in the water then nowhere near them, you know. Ready?
Cheers.
Consume, man. Consume. Consume, man.
Why is it red? St. Mary.
The pepper.
Why it's a red?
The pepper.
St. Mary. Watch it turn.
Yeah. Yeah. In the like pepper. You know, at yet. You know, at yet. It a go creep up. You should say no hot. I bet you say, oh, I bet you say it hot. I think I want to sing that still, but let's go.
You can taste the Scotch bonnet though.
Oh, well, I guess she not mind pepper. It's about now.
Don't hot.
You know
It's
what?
hot.
It's hot.
That's it, you know.
Yeah, it's creep up.
Not that hot.
Just eat it as normal and then, you know, we'll find out.
It hot.
You know that hot? It hot.
At first, I never feel the burn.
You like it like it's sinking.
I feel the burn now, but I actually like it.
Yeah.
I actually like it. It's nice. Like a little spice.
And it's full of seasoning.
That's good. At least it's done properly.
Pepper man.
You see what I do? He will make sure say him taste buds them a work, and for him to do that, him have to close him eye to make sure say him taste buds them a work, you know. Wait. I make sure say engage over here, so I make sure we are so married. I must say no. What?
nice.
What am I call?
Who this man? Hello.
Yo,
What, brother?
where are they?
Do it
There,
then.
man. Me there.
Yo, me do over here, so dog. Over generally, I eat one potato chips, doggy. Hot!
The new St. Mary potato chips are
Yeah.
on the place now.
Yeah.
The one there?
Yeah.
I know someone me heat right now.
Yeah.
What you do?
Yo, you hot dog. You know, see, the man I used to burn and sit.
Yo, it's hot dog. You see, true me know say, here's a man who used to burn and sitting. But hot. In ball out, boy.
Mary potato chips are on the place now.
Yeah.
The one there?
Yeah.
I know someone me heat right now.
Yeah.
What you
Yo, you hot dog. You know, see, the man I used to burn and sit.
In licking chip. Yo. Janelle, question for you though. Why me not say Cash pan none of them show ya? Cash. Me ask you, Cash. Where you deal with, brother? You know if you there in one of them thing I'm a G. You know if you there in one of them thing I'm a G.
Pepper fan.
No, sir.
when you saw like he give you the full effect.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Scotch bunny, get a look, you know?
I can get that kick.
Yeah, I look.
I like a thumb. Yeah.
Yeah, man, I eat, man. No, man, them come to.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna call you.
That one here nice. St. Mary. Remember me tell us, yo. That one here body.
You know, say, big man thing. A company ever come to still, you know. You see, like with the banana chips and with other things, but.
True, man. Them big company,
I
man.
first man see this. So, like, this is on the market or something.
Body, eh? Where's
One minute me have left, you know. Come back.
Alright, Miss Uncle.
Yeah.
Alright. Remember me tell you how that's near bad.
Dad.
Eh. You taste it? Bad man. Nah, like. Bad. What this done, man?
That's not the bag. So this set, I don't know if you can see it. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you rate the Scotch bonnet?
6.5.
You might say
6.5.
you might say 11. Oh, I'm thinking I say 11.
Dad, you just extra.
I don't know about extra, but it's for real.
Who would you recommend this for?
People like spicy food.
Everybody.
It's similar to like Red Hot
Yeah.
and Bigfoot, the Hot Bigfoot.
Anybody will love tech bun.
Any store that everywhere, island wide.
Anybody will love tech bun, hanky bun.
Idiot tap no. Over the world. Remember me tell you.
Idiot.
St. Mary banana chips, potato chips.
Yes,
They bad. Me da sit down and name off a whole box of this video. Cause anything me I have you have on paper.
It have a good flavor. What kind of people? Yeah, me da recommend you to buy this.
Yeah.
Potato, chips, fire.
Paper. At first me I eat it and me not tell you.
Nice.
Good job. Round of applause, man. Me not like good job.
Proper.
But you see the company I still Apache?
Yeah.
Always build so.
I told you, man.
Nice product.
What's that? Not telling a story. Back when I was, you know.
Oh, lads, so how invites gone so fine? Is it because of the pepper? How invites gone so fine, dog? Like, yeah, I say back when you was a what?
Oh, when I was like, 6'5", I really can't remember when I was 6 and 5. Never mind. Anyway, St. Mary, I eat. Straight here, and JNL, respect for actually make me, try this, because I feel like it's the one in the island. You get me and say? It's once in a lifetime. You see, opportunity. I feel like a test dummy at this moment. But
you're proud test dummy.
It really, it's kind of get that the Scotch bunny, man. It's a guitar. Oh, it's a guitar. Oh, like when Kobe, Steph Curry, like, oh, yeah.
On behalf of St. Mary's, we would like to present you guys with this token of gratitude for participating on the show today. I hope you guys enjoy it.
Wow, okay.
And,
Okay, St. Mary's doing it big.
Spice in your life.
Yeah.
Thank you.
St. Mary's doing it big. What's in this? More. That's good, that's good.
Pepper, should have beef pepper, someone can eat them off.
Oh God. Thank you guys. Thank you, St. Mary's.
Yeah, that's good, that's good.
I really appreciate it.
Yes, we especially appreciate the one.
Yeah, man.
This is a surprise. I wish I had kids. I'd give them all of it. Mind this?
Yeah.
Like mine?
You have St. Mary's. Yes, you have a package there.
You know what I'm saying?
What you not saying?
Respect for big man.
Thank you very much, Wood. Thank you very much, Janelle. And today, it's the St. Mary potato chips. Thank you very much for this. I'm gonna go and give him a look at Nevis them and.
You have 2 flavors. You
Two
have
pepper?
one and a cola.
Wait, not say. Wait, I'm not even check it out.
It never.
What is?
The flavor there, what?
Welcome, peeps. So this video was sponsored by St. Mary's. So I know you guys know St. Mary's as the company with the best banana chips out there on the market right now.
Yeah.
Well, now they have St. Mary's potato chips with Scotch bonnet, and they also have Go Cool. So this is just, you know, regular potato chips with,
Without the pepper.
sea salt. So for all the pepper lovers, this is for you. All who don't like pepper, this is for you. So you get a chance to choose, you want the pepper one or you want the cool one. So make sure you guys find a flavor, and make sure you guys follow St. Mary on all social media platforms. Information will be on the screen, and also follow them on TikTok. As I said, information will be on the screen. So thank you, St. Mary's, for reaching out to JNL Comedy to get these lovely people to try your lovely products. So people, remember,
Straight.
fire, cool.
Yeah.
Find the flavor.
Straight. Good plug, my brother. Good plug, my brother. Good plug. Proud of you, you say that. You never know. So people, that was JNL's latest video. As you can see, it was fun. It was good to see them try something that made in Jamaica and is about to be released, and for JNL audience to grab it and take part in it on the show and test it and give them honest opinion about it. Just like how I give my honest opinion on this review. Really proud of JNL for in production as always. Great video. Some great contestants again, and it was just a nice mellow show. And big up St. Mary Banana Chips, and big up St. Mary products as well, you know. Yeah, it's nice to see something come out of the country that is positive. Alright, so guys, if you like this video, I want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also my gaming channel link will be in the flat below. So I do gaming mainly, okay? So this is just a spin-off. So if you want to see more, please leave the link to the video where you want to see me react to, and I will sieve out them and see what going on, yeah? So guys, have a good and productive day. If you can't be good, be lucky. You don't have nothing good to say, no say nothing. Big up Jamaica land we love. Peace.